Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pulaski County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Northern Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, Northern Mississippi County, Missouri, Scott County, Missouri, Southeastern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Northern Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Northern Mississippi County, Missouri, County, Missouri, Southeastern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, Stoddard County, Missouri, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along damaged vehicles from near Benton to near Morehouse, moving at 60 miles per hour. Wind damage. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Scott City, location of the conservation area. This includes the following highways. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 55 between mile markers 67 and 92. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties. In Missouri, Cape Girardeau, Mississippi, Scott and Stoddard markers 1 and 21. In Illinois, Interstate 55 between mile markers 67 and 92. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties. In Missouri, Cape Girardeau, Mississippi, Scott and Stoddard, and the following counties. In Illinois, Alexander and Pulaski, and the following counties. In Kentucky, Ballard and Carlisle. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western White County in southeastern Illinois, northern Saline County, Illinois, Hamilton County in south central Illinois, northwestern Gallatin County, Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Thompsonville, or 11 miles east of Benton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Enfield, Omaha, Norris City, McLeansboro, Galatia, Broughton, and Kamai. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties. In Illinois, Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline and White,